guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. I am back with yet another video. I'm so excited to bring it to you guys. But if you are here watching me for the very first time and you've never seen me ever in life, I am Desiree Marie and I do all sorts of videos. I mainly do lock videos where I bring you guys along with me as I wash, maintain, and even style my hair. I bring you guys in the shower with me as I'm washing my hair, just to give you guys a full in-depth look of what a real, genuine lock journey looks like. I bring you guys along with me as I experience the struggles of the lock journey. Yes, there are struggles. So I show you the good, the bad, and yes, it does get ugly. So if you're interested in any of those types of videos, definitely do subscribe. I also style my hair in very out of the box ways. I love to just kick it up a notch and just do something different. And I do a lot of like DIYs around my first one-bedroom apartment and some cool vlogs so you guys can get to know me. So if you're interested in that, subscribe. It's free, it's fun. You'll automatically be a part of the crew. But anyway, hey crew, who I call my subbies, I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about hair porosity. Now, the last time you saw me talk about hair porosity, I talked about the different types of hair porosity and the solutions, the ways that you can diagnose your hair to see which porosity you have. And just to recap, hair porosity is very important. Everybody should know what hair porosity they have. It makes a big difference in your hair routine, in your hair appearance, and how dry it looks. A lot of the times we don't understand why our hair doesn't take to certain products, but other people's hair does. This is scientifically proven information that weighs so heavy on how your hair will grow. Will it grow long enough? Will it grow healthy and strong? This information is vital. So yes, if you have not already, do check out that video because it's very vital. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the different things that I talked about in the last video. I'm going to be experimenting on my hair so we can figure out which hair porosity I have. Just a little recap, there are 3 different types of hair porosities. There is low hair porosity, when your hair has a hard time accepting products and it's dry a lot of the time and you encounter buildup because your hair strands do not accept the moisture. It just sits right on top of your head. You wonder why certain products just stay on top of your head. You walk outside and you thought you had a wash and go, but it's a wash and no. Yes, I'm talking to my naturals right now because I know the struggle. You also have regular hair porosity, when your hair accepts all products very well and you don't have a problem with dryness. And there's also high hair porosity, which your hair is always dry. Like, you will moisturize your hair 1 hour and in the next hour your hair looks like it's never been done and it's so dry that it breaks off and you experience a lot of damage and breakage. Look, this is a video just for you. If you want to know which hair porosity you have, these 3 experiments are awesome. Very easy, very easy. You don't have to spend any money doing this. All you have to do is just get up in your bathroom like I am right now. Anyway, we're going to get right into the experiments. Let's go. Alright, so for these experiments, you're going to need your hair. But for this first one, we're going to do what is called the Strand test. And you're obviously going to need a hair strand. So what I'm going to do is just go back here and like feel around, see which hair strand is loose, and just go ahead and pluck that hair strand. This one feels good. There we go. Alright, so I have a nice decent sized hair strand to test this theory on. So yeah, you might think that it's really difficult for you to get a hair strand even though you have locks. Look, you have loose hair at the base of your locks, so you can go ahead and pluck one out, just one. You don't need to pluck out a whole lot, but get like a nice little decent size strand and you're ready to start your test. You need a cup of water, a glass of water, whatever works for you. And so now I'm going to take my strand of hair and put it in this cup of water. And here's what my hair is doing. it's actually sitting right on top of the water, which kind of confuses me. I'm gonna take a fork and just like lightly tap it and see what happens now. All right, so it's in the water and it's sinking to the bottom. You guys see that? It's sinking to the bottom. There it goes, right there. So that is what happens when your hair is not low porosity. It's going to sink to the bottom. As you see with this test, I lightly tapped it with this fork just to see what the hair would do. If you have low hair porosity, the hair is not going to budge at all. Like, you can tap it all you want. That hair strand is not going anywhere. It's going to sit right on top of this water. But if you tap it a little bit and it begins to sink, it is not low hair porosity. It's either regular or high hair porosity. High hair porosity, the strand is going to sink very fast to the bottom like it did just now. But regular hair porosity, the hair is going to sink down slowly. Okay, so for the next test, we're going to run our fingers down the shaft of the hair strand. I'm using the same hair strand that I used in the water just a clip ago. And what I'm going to do is grab it at the top, grab the hair strand at the top right here, and I'm going to run my fingers down the strand and take mental note of any bumps that I feel along the way. Now, if you do this and you feel that your hair is really dry, parched, and it pretty much breaks, you have high hair porosity. If when you do this, it feels smooth, there are no bumps, there are no bruises, you have regular hair porosity. And if you do this and you feel bumps along the way, you may have low hair porosity. For me, I'm not feeling many bumps along the hair, so I must have gotten myself a good piece of hair in the back. I'm so mad I took this out my head. But right now I do feel a few bumps. It's not so bad. I just recently moisturized my hair, so I think that has a lot to do with it as well. But it's good to know that my moisturizing routine has worked in sealing moisture, so I don't feel any kind of like bumps, and it's not breaking in my hand. Even though I have high hair porosity, it's not breaking, it's not snapping, it's not dry and parched. I've been keeping on top of my hair since I found out my hair porosity last week. Okay, so for the last experiment, which is what we call the H2O test, you're gonna grab yourself a hairspray bottle. This is my beat up red bottle that I use all the time. You guys already know what it is, but you don't need anything in particular. You just need a nice spray bottle filled with water. And what you're going to do is spray your hair and look very closely at what your hair does, how it reacts to the spray. So we're going to do that right now. All right, so grabbing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and spray. And you should be able to see how my hair reacts to the spray. If you have high hair porosity, the water is going to absorb very quickly through your hair. You're going to see that it absorbs very fast, as you have probably just noticed. If you have low hair porosity, when you spray, you're going to look very closely to your hair and see that the water bubbles are forming. Like, the water is not absorbing very easily. The bubbles are going to form and sit right on top of your strands until you go ahead and, you know, maneuver and manipulate it until it gets inside of your hair, right? And if you have regular hair porosity, you're going to spray that and it's going to absorb very well, very quickly, just the same as high hair porosity. But with high hair porosity, I'm gonna spray my hair right now, and in an hour, I'm gonna look back at my hair, and my hair is gonna be dry and crispy like I never did anything at all. So those are the differences. So that is it. Those are the 3 ways that you can test your strands to see which hair porosity you have. Hopefully you take this and you try to figure out which hair porosity you have. It's really easy and simple, and you'll learn your hair porosity within minutes. If you found this video very informational, definitely do share it with your friends and family. Send the link through your emails, through your texts. Show somebody who's struggling with dry hair problems how they can diagnose their hair and what they can do to bring about a solution. I talked about solutions in my last video, so hopefully you guys found this video informational. I hope that you enjoyed. I really was excited to bring this to you guys because I know how much it impacted me. I didn't know which hair porosity I had for a long time, and when I was loose natural, it was difficult. I was experimenting with different products and not knowing which really worked for me. With my high hair porosity, I found that shea butter worked for me. The shea butter, like that real shea butter, worked for me, and a lot of heavy products really worked for me. So now that I'm locked, I can't use a lot of heavy products. So what I do is I try my best to stay on top of moisturizing my hair, wetting my hair every day, making sure that I get oils in it so that it stays moisturized and it maintains its luster. So yes guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I love you. Comment down below if you have tried this experiment or any of these 3 experiments and which hair porosity you have. I would love to know. Let us know down below. And yes, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for many more videos like this. Also check out our online blog. It's DesireeMarie.com, ITS, DesireeMarie.com. It's in the description, the direct link to bring you straight to that website. There you will find more behind the scenes. You know, I write more in depth and more details of the videos that I post so that you can go ahead and learn some more. Also, I give you guys, you know, I share my daily life as well, my struggles and stuff. So if you want to get to know me, definitely do subscribe to that blog, and also check me out on Instagram, ITS Desiree Marie _ because somebody took my name, so I had to put an underscore. But anyway, I'm talking too much. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.